Hello, my lovely students. Of course, you will watch my video on direct and indirect speech, but I want to relate something to the, of your book also. So, students, but I wanted to relate you with your own book that is Cornerstone, page number 145. Okay, you can see direct and indirect speech. So, here you can see she told I am going to Paris. ओके दिस इज इन डायरेक्ट स्पीच. इसको डायरेक्ट को इनडायरेक्ट में कैसे बदलेंगे? शी टोल्ड मी दैट शी वॉज गोइंग टू पेरिस, राइट? तो दिस इज अ डायरेक्ट स्पीच. शी सेड. तो हमेशा डायरेक्ट स्पीच में यू विल गेट पंचुएशन, दैट इज वन कॉमा एंड इन्वर्टेड कॉमा. शी सेड, वो क्या बोली, वो जो भी बोल रही है ना, it will be in quotation. Okay, it will be in quotation as you can see. So look at this. She said, okay, she said I am going to Paris. She said will change into told and it will be said change हो जाएगा told में. She told me that she was going to Paris. तो यहाँ देखो क्या क्या change हुआ. Tense. आई एम गोइंग टू पैरिस इज प्रेजेंट टेंस और यहाँ पे लगा है वॉज. सो वॉज इज ऑलवेज द पास्ट टेंस. ओके, सो एंड व्हेन यू विल वॉच माय वीडियो नो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इन अ बेस्टेस्ट वे. ठीक है, अभी बुक के अनुसार हम बता देते हैं. दिस इज रोमन नंबर 1 वेर यू विल राइट द डेफिनेशन. इसके ऊपर हमेशा मार्क करते हैं ना बुक में. इन द सेम मैनर यू विल मार्क with pencil and same thing you will copy in your classwork copy. This is a long chapter and it will take time for us to complete. तो ठीक है, समझते हुए चलते हैं. तो रोमन नंबर 1 here is example. Okay, you have to copy this example. So when a sentence reports the exact words of the speaker, it is said to be in direct speech. Exact word. Suppose student number A, student number B और student number C. ठीक है, हम यहाँ पे लिखते हैं स्टूडेंट नंबर ए, बी एंड सी. नाउ ए कुछ बी को बोला, दिस इज डायरेक्ट. नाउ बी सी को बोला कि क्या ए बोला वो इनडायरेक्ट होता है. ओके, डायरेक्ट कन्वर्सेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू डेफिनेशन. ओके, सो what A told to B would be direct and when B will talk to C regarding A कि what A told, that will change into indirect. Correct? Look at the second definition, Roman number 2, you will put like this only. In indirect speech, we report what the speaker has said without quoting his or her exact word. Quoting मतलब यहाँ पे हम लोग डाल रहे हैं ना quotation, punctuation. She said, comma, inverted comma open, I am going to Paris, inverted comma close. Indirect में देखो, there is no punctuation. She told, said change हो गया told में. This chapter is very important for her final term. She told me that she was going to Paris. Okay. So in this sentence, now let me turn the page very roughly. I'm telling you so that you will connect with your own book also. This full page you will just read. Page number 146. इसको हमको पढ़ना है. Look at this example. एक देख लो ये भी. The teacher said to the naughty child, be quiet. Be quiet. We say quiet also. The teacher said to the naughty child, be quiet. The teacher ordered the child to be quiet. अब कोई टीचर जो है ऐसे थोड़ी बोलेगी कि स्टूडेंट प्लीज बी क्वाइट, इफ विल बी क्वाइट आई विल गिव यू चॉकलेट. नहीं. सो ऑफ कोर्स दे विल गिव ऑर्डर और दे विल स्कोल्ड ना गुस्से में. तो उसी को चेंज ऑर्डर. तो ये मूड समझना. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द मूड हियर. किस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में बात हो रहा है. So the teacher ordered, यहाँ पे main, the teacher ordered the child to be quiet. 5 to 6 marks I will give only direct and indirect speech. So please learn it nicely. So please go through this, the blue जिसमें है ना mark. So please go through this thing, paragraph in your book. Okay. Now come to this page. अभी इस page में, that is page number 147. See. There is a table drawn here, direct speech and indirect speech, right? What I have written here, learn it. इसको पूरा ब्रैकेटाइज कर दिए. नो नीड टू राइट इन कॉपी, जस्ट लर्न. अब करना क्या? डायरेक्ट स्पीच. Simple present, simple past. The man said, I like flying kites. Simple past means the man said that he liked the flying kites. तो यहाँ पे like हो गया हमारा. What is verb here? Like is in the past tense. Now it will change into the, sorry, I'm sorry, like is in the present tense. It will change into the past tense. Okay. Look at the second one, present continuous one. Rita said, my aunt is cooking dinner. Miss continuous means she is still cooking dinner. She is still doing that work. Past continuous means Rita said that her aunt was cooking dinner. So is of course our present tense and was is our past tense. In the same manner you will go through this table. Okay. Next one, come to this one. This one also you will just read, okay, and you will just learn it. She said, when I was an actor, I lived in Mumbai. वो बोली जब वो एक्टर थी तब वो मुंबई में रहती थी. Right. Now यहाँ पे क्या, if the reported speech contains a time clause, its tense remains unchanged. Time clause, तब tense change नहीं होगा. She said that when she was an actor, she lived in Mumbai. तो क्या क्या change नहीं हुआ? When I was an actor. Wait for my camera. When I was an actor. तो यहाँ पर भी was है and here also it is was. When she was an actor, she lived in Mumbai. क्या change किए हम? Only punctuation. Direct speech में students, every time you will have punctuation. She said, he said, teacher said, doctor said, father said, mother said के बाद हमेशा एक कॉमा, और वो क्या सेड किए, क्या बोले, वो हमेशा इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में इंक्लूज हो जाएगा in direct speech. But in indirect speech we will break all the punctuations and it will be like this only. She said that when she was an actor, जब वो एक्टर थी, she lived in Mumbai. ठीक है, this is the thing and the rest is your case. Of course I will send you the pic which has to be done in copy and which has to be done in book. I hope you have understood, and watch my channel. Direct and indirect I have explained beyond the chapter. Okay, it's beyond the clouds, beyond the chapter, in a very extensive way. Do watch it. Thank you.